Series of Wai Wai series. So here we have 1, 2, 3 noodles. These are brown noodles and masala delight, pizza flavor noodles and chicken flavor noodles and Hakka noodles. So today we are going to start with this. We also have fusion masala fusion flavor, but I don't have that flavor right now at my home. So I'll cook masala delight today. So here I have 1.5 teaspoon of oil heating up in the pan. Let it heat up. Once it heats, I am going to add onions. First I will add green chilies. Taste. We will also chop them and add. So now looks like it's hot. And in the other hand, my water is also boiling. Some green chili. It's optional. It's very spicy. You don't need to add it. Cook it little bit. And now I'll add my onions. This is one medium size onion. Brown it. So I'll brown them first. So onions are kind of translucent now. We have to brown it, and here I have my noodles taken out from the packet. This is masala delight. The seasoning which we get in this. This is the small packet, the 5 rupee one. So the 5 rupee one is for one serving. It's okay. So now it's kind of done. I don't think I'll cook it more. You may also brown them. Translucent is fine. One medium sized tomato chopped. Handful of frozen peas, or the fresh ones. And the seasoning for them, that is 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of red chili powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix and cook until the raw flavor of tomatoes are gone. That is actually for around 2 minutes. And I'll cook them. So this is after around 2 minutes. It looks ready. So I will add the seasoning what I got in the packet. This is now worldwide available. This Wai Wai noodles. Mix it. Looks like it's done. And while my seasoning was getting ready, at the first itself I added my water to get boiled. It's boiled now. Once you add the water, you don't add normal water, add boiled water. Add the noodles. Press it little bit so that it goes in the water. And cover it and cook it for around 2 minutes. All the water will be absorbed. The water what I took that was given in the packet, how much water to add. Just for the sake I added around 100 milliliters of it. Yeah. Noodles are done. Switch off the flame and yeah, done. So this is the masala delight flavor of Wai Wai. Actually 2 servings are there for this. I'll garnish it with some coriander leaves, optional, but taste is great with coriander leaves. So the Wai Wai noodles, my style.